What's up, all you crazy box breaking, car collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. One $3 football break for you tonight. But first, a bad break drawing for Saturday night's breaks, giving away two $10 promo codes. Here we go. First drawing, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first winner is going to be Jerry. And second drawing, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Donald. Now for tonight's break, we'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll paste those results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Alright, here we go. We'll start off with 2014. Looks like we have a bonus hit in this one. Very nice. First of for the Saints of Brandon Cooks, rookie autograph 19 out of 75. Going to Dustin. And another one for you, Dustin. Brandon Cooks. This one a super short print, 4 out of 10. Doesn't want to focus. We'll move on. Congratulations. And a rookie dual jumbo patches for the Raiders, Derek Carr. That one going to Joshua J. 55 out of 199. Now we'll go to the 2013. For the Bears, a rookie autograph, Marquez Wilson. First one made, 1 out of 299. Bears going to Paul E. Mammoth rookie patch for the Jets, Geno Smith. 2 out of 99. Going to Dustin. First booklet, gonna be a rookie booklet, dual jumbo patches. Going to Titans receiver Justin Hunter. 138 out of 199. Titans going to Dave. And a rookie black parallel booklet for the Broncos, a Moneyball NFL rookie photo shoot autograph with the jumbo patch, 19 out of 51. Broncos going to Michael C. Congratulations, Michael. First hit going to be a redemption. Rookies, signature silvers. Michael Brockers. Michael Brockers. I want to say either Cardinals or Buccaneers. We'll include that in the scans. Make sure to get it to the right person. Rookie gold parallel autograph for the Packers and Nick Perry. Packers going to Njali. Short print numbered 16 out of 49. Mammoth rookie patch for the Giants, David Wilson. Giants going to Patrick, 14 out of 75. And a rookie blue parallel booklet for the Redskins, RG3 on card autograph, Hurdles patch. Congratulations, Dustin. Super short print, 20 out of 45. And that'll do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some football. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.